Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I'm going to show you a DIY. We're going to use my Cricut maker and my heat press and this Htvront heat transfer vinyl. The company was nice enough to send it to me to try out, and so far I'm loving it. So I'm going to share with you. We're going to do a holiday design for the upcoming holiday. But first I want to talk to you about the Htvront. It comes with in this nice little resealable package. It's a good sturdy package. It has an instruction sheet in it with your temperatures and care instructions. And it also comes with, let's see, comes with a little Teflon sheet, and there's 24 pack. It's got 24 sheets in it of HTV vinyl, and it's all these great primary colors. I'm just going to show you a few. Lovely blue, yellow. I mean, all the colors are in there. But today we're going to be doing, so we're going to be using the blue and the red, and we're going to cut out a design and put it on a t-shirt from Walmart. So let's get to how we're going to make this shirt. Okay, I'm going to make a shirt for the 4th of July, and I found an image I liked on Design Bundles. So we're going to go to Upload, and I already have it, but I'm going to show you how I got it. You just go to Upload here, and we're going to browse our computer for the file. And I did it in my downloads, and it's the American Sunflower Hearts, and we're going to select it and do open, and it brings it in, and then we save it to our computer. Okay, but I've already done all that, so we're just going to cancel and get out of it. And we're just going to upload this image right here, add it to our canvas, and I think I want to resize it a little bit. I know that my vinyl is 12 by 12, so the biggest it could be here would be about 11 and a half by, yeah. So I like that. So that's as easy as that. We have it on our canvas. We're just going to hit, oh, wait a minute. I don't want to cut. I'm going to put it on a white shirt, so I don't need these white stripes in here right here. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to ungroup it so we can take these white out. And I think we need to do the same with the, oh no, I want the stars to cut. So, let's see. I'm going to put my stars, let's just undo so they put it right back where they were. And let's just select this stuff and move it over. So now I just have all this selected, so I'm going to select all this and see if it'll let me slice those stars out. So we're just going to click slice, and maybe that did it. So let's take those out, and then let's move this. Yes, and it took all the stars out, which is what I wanted, because I want them to be white from my shirt. So let's just, all that is grouped together. Now let's make sure all this is grouped together. Attach it. So then it'll all go together when we put it on our shirt. Just like that. So we'll click Make It. And it put it on two different mats. So we're going to cut one with our blue material and one with red material. So let's go get our mats ready. Okay, so we've got our design all done on the Cricut. So now we're going to put our HTV on the mat. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, when I did the design on the Cricut, we always mirror our image, which flips it over backwards, because we're going to put our HTV pretty side, the colored side, down on our mat. The shiny side, we're going to put it down on our mat, and you just make sure it's adhered well, and then we'll go put it in our Cricut. Okay, so we're just going to put our mat in our Cricut. We're lining it up with those 2 grooves there. And then we're going to press the arrow button and it'll feed our mat in. Okay, and then the Cricut light's going to blink. And we'll click it. And now it's going to cut. And then when the blue is finished, then we'll just weed it and change to the red vinyl. While our red is cutting, we're going to go ahead and weed our blue. So we're just going to pull up the corner here. Oh, and this cut really well. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. I had to go get my bright pad. It's just a lighted tablet, so I could see my cut lines, so we could weed these stars out. And this HTV from Htvront, it just weeds so well, y'all. I can't believe it. Okay, so I have my t-shirt on my heat press, and the most important thing is we're going to lint roll it. You want to lint roll anytime you do something on your heat press. You don't want any lint in between your transfer and your shirt. So I'm going to get it nice and lint rolled, and then we're going to give it a pre-press to get all the moisture out, and then we're going to put the decal on. Okay, y'all, it's hard to hold the camera and do this, so I know the angle's not going to be good, but I just wanted to show you. I have, on the blue piece I have a little overhang here, but on my red decal I have cut real close, so I'm going to go ahead and kind of position these together. I might trim this edge a little bit more. Let me grab my scissors. This one, I've trimmed it, and I'm going to put my design together. I don't want there to be any of the vinyl covered up by the carrier sheet. So I'm just going to put this red piece down like that. So then we have one decal that we can put on our shirt. It'll make it easier to space it and everything. Now I can't hold the camera and do the heat press, so we'll go ahead and flip this over, and we want to get it right in the center of my t-shirt, so we're gonna okay, so we've got that's the middle of my neck of my shirt. So that looks about right. So then we're going to set our temperature and our time according to the directions that came with our vinyl, and we're going to give it a press. Okay, so we've got it pressed, and it's still a little warm, so we're going to go ahead and peel. So that's it, y'all. This is my holiday shirt, and you know, it's such a cute design. You don't have to be just for 4th of July. You can wear it all summer long. But anyway, I want to give thanks to Htvront for sending me this great vinyl. It weeds like a dream. Presses. I have no problems. I love it. So check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description box. And stay tuned. We're going to have more tutorials like this, making more shirts and using different vinyls and different products and different techniques. I like to do sublimation also. We're going to be doing some glitter. We're going to be doing some sublimation onto HTV vinyl onto shirts. So stay tuned. We got a lot coming up. We'll see you next time. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.